This is my Mysterium TKL keyboard build. This is my favorite keyboard mainly because of the through-hole look. You can see all the through-hole components here at the top of the keyboard. This comes as a bare bones kit that you have to assemble yourself. All these components here on the PCB, the diodes, the resistor, the microcontroller socket, the USB-C connector, you have to solder it yourself. The microcontroller here comes pre-flashed with the bootloader, but the main keyboard firmware, you have to download it from QMK configurator and you flash it on the board through QMK toolbox application. The additional thing I did here is I added this ESP32 TDisplay board. This board has an ESP32S3 microcontroller and a 1.9-inch 170 by 320 TFT display. I attached the board to the keyboard with this hinge so I can adjust the display angle. The board is powered from USB 5 volt and I'm using the keyboard's TRRS jack to provide 5 volt input to ESP32 board. I made this TRRS to 2-pin JST cable to provide 5 volt input to ESP32 board. Once you connect the USB cable from the computer to the keyboard powers up and the ESP32 board powers up. It connects to Wi-Fi, gets date and time from pool.ntp.org and overlays it on the GIF of your choice. You are not just limited to displaying date and time here. The ESP32 has Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can display different information on the screen if you like. You can program it to display weather information or whatever information you choose to overlay on the GIF. So other than the ESP32 display here, this is your regular TKL mechanical keyboard. The PCB that comes with the kit does not have any RGB lightings on it, and it also does not have any hot swappable sockets. So if you want to make it hot swappable, you have to solder Mil-Max sockets yourself. I soldered Mil-Max 305 sockets and installed the tactile key switches on it. Up till now, I've been using Corsair K95 Platinum as my daily driver, but moving forward, Mysterium TKL will be my new daily driver.